Dear children, happy morning. I hope that you are very fine and fit. Yes, welcome to our Sheba group of school online class. Yes children, take your classwork now. Can you see this note? Yes, take this note. Then 240 pages, one side ruled note. Okay children, then see your first page. Here in first page you are going to write your name, class and then subject. This is Yes children, this is your science class work. See the one side road. Here you are going to draw double line. Using your pencil you are going to draw the double line. Yes, get ready. You are going to write the class work now. Okay children? Yes children, when you start writing your class work, think that you are going to write neatly. Whenever you are writing, you have to write neatly. Okay children? Here in the margin you have to put the date. What is the date? 2/9. Okay children? 2/9 you have to put the date in the margin. Then the lesson name, organ system. You have to draw double line. I already told you, use your pencil to draw this line. I have darkened your line. இங்க வந்து நான் dark பண்ணியிருக்கேன். So you have to draw the line darkly. Okay children? Then the lesson name is organ system. Then you have to leave one line. Understood? Roman letter 1, dictation words. Yes children, dictation words. Number 1, elementary. Okay, number 1, elementary. ALIMENTARY. Number 2, cerebrum. CEREBRUM, cerebrum. Number 3, nephrons. NEPHRONS, nephrons. Number 4, auricles. Number 4, auricles. AURICLES, auricles. Number 5, somatic. SOMATIC. This is a dictation word children. You have to leave one line. After writing your lesson name, you have to leave one line. Then Roman letter 1, dictation words. We are writing the 5 dictation words. When you are writing the dictation, you can leave one line here. Only for the dictation, you have to leave one line. Understood children? Yes, number 1, elementary. 2, cerebrum. 3, nephrons. 4, auricles. And 5, somatic. Okay children? Yes children, this is elementary. Elementary na நமக்கே தெரியும். இது வந்து உணவு குழாய். Then cerebrum, பெருமூளை, largest brain. Then nephrons is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Kidney ல இது ஒரு unit. Then auricles, one of the chamber. Heartல இருக்கிற ஒரு chamber அது. Then somatic, it is a nervous system. Okay children? Are you clear with your dictation words now? Yes. Yes children, after finishing Roman letter 1, below to that you can continue Roman letter 2. Okay, அதுக்கு கீழேயே இடம் ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கும். You can write the Roman letter 2. Okay children? Here Roman letter 2, match the following. Roman letter 2, match the following. Number 1, digestive system. Digestive system, alimentary canal. I already told it is a அது என்ன சொன்ன உணவு குழாய் சொன்னேனா. Then digestive system, alimentary canal. Number 2, respiratory system. Respiratory system, lungs. Lungs தெரியும் நமக்கு நுரையீரல். Then number 3, circulatory system, heart. Heart you know that. Then number 4, excretory system, kidney. Number 5, nervous system, brain. Okay children, again number 1, digestive system. For writing the matching, you no need to leave the line. The matching எழுதும்போது நம்ம line விட வேண்டாம். Understood? For only for dictation you have to leave line. Then for matching no need to leave the line. Okay children? Yes, number 1, digestive system, alimentary canal. Number 2, respiratory system, lungs. Number 3, circulatory system, heart. Number 4, excretory system, kidney. Number 5, nervous system, brain. Okay children? Yes children, now we are going to write the Roman letter 3. We finish the Roman letter 2 matching. Below to that you have the space, so you continue your writing. Okay children? Yes children, now we are going to write Roman letter 3. Roman letter 2, below to the Roman letter 2 matching you have the space, you continue the writing Roman letter 3. Okay children? Now Roman letter 3, answer the following. Number 1, name the salivary glands in our mouth. Number 1, name the salivary glands in our mouth. Answer, parotid gland, sublingual gland, submandibular gland. Parotid gland, sublingual gland, submandibular gland. Yes children, now leave one line. After writing the first question, you have to leave one line. Then if you have the pencil, you have to draw a line here. After finishing the first question முடிச்சிட்ட அப்புறம் நீங்கள் ஒரு லைன் விடுவீங்க. அந்த லைனில் நம்ம லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணணும். Okay, then start writing your second question. Name the chambers in human heart. Name the chambers in human heart. Answer is the heart is divided. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are called auricles. 2 upper chambers are called auricles. 2 lower chambers are called ventricles. 2 lower chambers are called ventricles. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are called auricles. 2 lower chambers are called ventricles. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now we are moving to 4th Roman letter, that is diagram. Where can you draw the diagram? You know that you are going to draw the diagram in the unruled side. Okay, children. Before drawing the diagram, you have to put the box. That is the margin for the diagram. You have to put the box and then you have to draw the diagram inside the box only. Children, you know that. Yes, clear? Yes, children. Can you see the diagram in the board? Yes. Before, see, I told you to draw the box for the diagram. Can you see it? Here the box. Can you see the box here? Yes. Now we are going to draw the human brain. Yeah. See here. Can you able to see it? Yes. Yeah. I am going to draw the diagram. Yes, children. Yeah, I am drawing the cerebellum. Yes. Yeah. The cerebrum. The first one is cerebrum. Can you see the cerebrum? Cerebrum na folded part தான் நம்ம cerebrum சொல்லுவோம். அதாவது நம்ம brainல வந்து folding இருக்கும். நிறைய folding இருக்கும். அதான் largest brain. That cerebrum, that folding part only we used to call the cerebrum. Then the thalamus. Okay, children, can you see? This is the thalamus. Can you see the children? This is thalamus. Then below to this is cerebellum. Cerebrum is the largest brain. This is behind the cerebellum is the cerebellum. Cerebrum க்கு கீழே அடுத்தது என்ன இருக்கும்? cerebellum இருக்கும், smallest brain. This is the largest brain and cerebellum is the smallest brain. Can you see this cerebellum? This is cerebellum and this cerebrum. Cerebrum, cerebellum and thalamus. Okay, children. Then this is pons. Where is the pons? Here. Here it is the pons. இந்த stem மாதிரி வருது இல்லையா, இது நீட்டா இந்த கோடை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? pons. Okay, children. Then below to the pons, here the medulla oblongata. அந்த நீட்டா வர கோடு மாதிரி வருது பாரு, அந்த லைனை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா medulla oblongata. Then the brain stem. இந்த நீட்டா வர stem, அது stem means தண்டு. இந்த இதை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? brain stem. Okay, children. What are the parts here? Cerebrum, thalamus, cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata, brain stem. Here, children, can you clear? You know to draw the diagram? Yes. This is human brain. What are the parts in this human brain? Cerebrum. This is cerebrum and this is thalamus. Number 3, cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata and brain stem. Okay, children, it's clear now? Yes, children. After drawing the diagram, human brain, you have to color the parts. To differentiate the parts, you have to give the different colors. Okay, children, can you see this? Yes. Yes, children. Now we are going to see the book exercise, page number 108. Choose the correct answer. What is the length of the alimentary canal? That is 6 to 9 meters long. What is the length of the alimentary canal? 6 to 9 meters. Then which organ? Number 2, which organ is involved in respiration? Number 2, which organ is involved in respiration? Lungs. Which organ is involved in respiration? Lungs. Number 3, how many kidneys do we have? How many kidneys do we have? 2. We have 2 kidneys. Okay, children. Then number 4, functional unit of brain is neuron. Functional unit of brain is neuron. Number 5, blood is pumped by heart. Blood is pumped by heart. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. A group of organs together make up an organ system. Number 1, a group of organs together make up an organ system. Organ spelling O-R-G-A-N, organ. Number 2, the process by which the body removes waste is called excretion. The process by which the body removes waste is excretion. Number 3, the number of chambers in human heart is 4. Number of chambers in human heart is 4. Number 4, the functional unit of kidney is nephron. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. Number 5, the human nervous system is divided into two parts. The human nervous system is divided into two parts. Then the Roman letter 3, say true or false. Can you see it, children? Yes. It is in the page number 109. Number 1. In human respiratory system, length of trachea is 8 to 10 centimeter. False. Human respiratory system, the length of trachea is 8 to 10 centimeter. Answer is false. Then the second, the circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. True. The circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessel. It is true. Then the third one, important function of heart is to transport blood with nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. False. Important function of heart is to transport blood with nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. False. Number 4, the brain is protected by the rib cage. False. The brain is protected by the rib cage. False. The brain is not protected by the rib cage. It is protected by skull. The functional unit of kidney is neuron. It's also false. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. Yeah, we read in the fill in the blanks. Nephron da varno inge neuron kuduthirukanga, so it is false. Okay children, it's clear now. Okay, then Roman letter 4, then circle the odd one. Number 1, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, lungs. It is involved in the digestive, so it is lungs. Number 2, nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx and stomach. The odd one is stomach. Then number 3, mouth, esophagus, stomach and kidney. Here the odd one is kidney. Okay children. Then the fourth one, taste, hear, think and smell. Here the think is the odd one. Number 5, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata and nephron. Here the odd one is nephron. Here the mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, lungs is the odd one. Nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, stomach is the odd one. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, kidney. Kidney is the odd one. Then taste, hear, think and smell. Think is the odd one. Then 5, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata and nephron. Here the nephron is the odd one. Okay children? Yes children, I hope that you understood how to write the classwork. Yes, again when you are writing the classwork, write neatly, keep finger gap, leave line. After finishing each and every Roman letter, you have to draw the line, and then one important thing, when you are drawing the diagram, you have to color the diagram. Okay children, it's the most important. You have to draw the diagram and you have to give color for that. Then okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.